What a beautiful setting for our dinner tonight. Hey y'all, welcome back to Everyday Mama. I'm Leanne, and today I'm going to show you how to make a hobo pocket. Let's get started. The ingredients you'll need are some sort of meat. We have a Bubba burger here. Cheese, I have pepper jack, some tomatoes, and peppers. There's also some Mexican style cheese here if you prefer that. You're going to cut all these items up. I would suggest you do this at home prior to coming to the campsite. Just makes it easier. Throw them all in separate bags. I did do it here. I have a cutting board that I did it on, and I'm going to put it inside this tin foil and wrap it up. Let me show you what it looks like. You just put the meat in, cheese. The best part about this is you can be messy and it still turns out amazing. And then I take some A1 sauce, and after I kind of form the bowl or the pocket that this is going to be in, I take a little bit of this, season it up. Can't have too much A1. Then you're going to continue to close it into a pocket. You want to make sure you have a good way to grip it from the fire. There's your hobo pocket. You're going to cook it on top of some sort of burner or whatever for about 14 minutes. If you're not going to be around a campfire anytime soon, you can throw these on the grill, or you can bake them in the oven at 400 degrees in a sheet pan. We're all cooking up a storm. You excited to have your hobo pocket?
You bet.
What about you, Daddy?
Absolutely.
Junie, do you want some? Junie, do you hear the deer? Junie, do you hear the deer?
Wait, guys, the one deer that we saw is speeding up.
There's a deer right there.
Oh, this is deer. This is
To set out some bowls. We have some cute camping bowls here. Aren't those adorable? I love stuff like that. Anyway, set these out, and then whenever you pick up the tin foil, you can just plop it down and open it up. You're just going to take it, use some hot pan holders, or you could do some tongs or something, and just open it up into the bowl. Look at this goodness. How is it, my love?
It's amazing.
Yay! What about you, Wyatt?
best food I've ever had in a while.
I love Happy Boys. I cannot wait to dive in. Let me know if you try this in the comments below and what ingredients you add. Until next time, wishing you lots of simplicity, progress, and joy. Bye!